Man, DB, I smell a
I didn't know.
Now you know this is gonna make a good video.
I didn't know Red Boy looks like
Rocky.
Red boy, can you say chicken jockey?
Oh yeah, I like Rocky. That's really
Chicken
good.
jockey.
Yeah.
Gray versus the little demon kid right there.
Baby dragon.
All right.
Nova, come back, by the way.
3, 2, 1, set, rumble. Hold up.
Why so serious?
Oh, that was easy.
Hey guys, it's me, Kanon. Alright, hey guys, it's me, Kanon. 3,
I put
hey
you
guys,
that's not
it's
right.
me, Kanon. Set,
Hey
rumble.
guys, it's me.
I'm lucky though. I don't have none.
Hey guys, it's me, Kanon.
Me, can I?
You're
I'm
so
missing,
good.
and I'll never come back to YouTube.
Ooh, double punch.
1-1, bro. 1-1.
Next one wins.
Dude, I do not want to look bad in front of a
Look at
mod
this.
and Red Bull.
Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention, pay
Wait,
attention.
wait,
3,
The
2,
bottom's not real.
1, set, rumble.
No. The bottom's not real.
Hold up. Hold
Oh,
up.
it's not.
Damn.
Wait, how's that?
What is that?
This is colliding. Alright, Devil, loser side. You on the next round.
Sorry.
Mr. Sandman, give me a drink.
Rubber, you want me to
Hey,
do it?
Red Bull, I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna target you. They're all gonna target you.
Are all fighters ready?
No.
Yep.
Yeah.
You.
2, 1,
Rumble!
What is this?
What did I do to you guys?
You're trying to walk.
Rip off the flower and
Bro, no.
Wait, what?
but you lost to a one-handed person.
Wait, are you out?